In this video, you'll learn how to check the word count on Google Docs. Whether you're writing an essay, a report, or a blog post, knowing your word count is often essential. Maybe you have a minimum requirement to meet, or you need to stay under a specific limit. Either way, Google Docs makes it very simple to see exactly how long your document is, and I'll walk you through how to do it step by step. First, you'll want to open Google Docs. You can do this by going to the Google Docs website in your browser, or by opening a document from your Google Drive. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll be prompted to log in before you can access your documents. Once you're signed in, either create a new blank document if you're starting from scratch, or open an existing file if you want to check the word count of something you've already written. After your document is open and you can see your text on the screen, move your attention to the menu bar at the top of the page. This is the horizontal strip that contains options like File, Edit, View, and so on. What you're looking for here is the option labeled Tools. Go ahead and click on Tools. This will open a drop-down menu with several options related to spelling, voice typing, and document statistics. In that Tools menu, look for the option called Word Count. It's usually located near the top of the list. Click on Word Count, and a small window will pop up in the middle of your screen. This is where Google Docs gives you a detailed breakdown of your document's length. In the word count window, you'll see several pieces of information. First, you'll see the total number of pages in your document. This is helpful if you're working with a page requirement instead of a word requirement. Below that, you'll see the total number of words. This is usually the most important number, and it's the one most teachers, clients, or platforms care about. You'll also see the number of characters, both including and excluding spaces. Characters can be useful if you're working on something like a social media post or a platform that limits the number of characters instead of words. If you're interested in the length of just a specific part of your document, you can highlight a section of text before you open the word count window. When you do that, the window will show you the word count for that selection, along with the total for the entire document. This makes it easy to see how long a single paragraph, chapter, or section is without having to copy it into a separate file. Once you've reviewed your words, pages, and characters, you can simply click the close button and you'll be right back in your document. You can repeat this process as often as you like while you write, so you can keep an eye on your progress and adjust your content as needed. And that's all there is to it. You've seen how to open your document, use the Tools menu, select word count, and interpret the information it gives you.